Hey guys, it's Casey and welcome back to my channel. So first things first, I have a towel wrap thingy on, you know, the things with the Velcro. And am I putting cute clothes on? No, I'm not. You know why? Because it is 10 p.m. and I've technically been working on this video for like 8 hours. Okay, so I didn't feel like doing the whole night. Y'all see me from the shoulders up, it look cute. That's all that matters. Okay, so as you guys can tell from the title of this video, and as you can tell looking at me, I decided to do something a little bit different and fun. This is actually something I've been wanting to do for like a month and a half, but with different campaigns and like different things going on, I just didn't see like the right timing to have my hair blue. But yeah, I've been wanting some blue hair for a minute, and like last minute I decided to add some implements of this like minty color just to kind of give it some more dimension, and I really like the way it came out. I feel like it's fun, it's different. And so yeah, we did a flexi rod set. Now I'm not gonna lie, this started off as a perm rod set. Guys, I went and replenished a bunch of perm rods. Look at this. This is excessive. Okay, I went and bought a bunch because I'm like, yo, I never do perm rod sets. Let me have a bunch in different sizing. And then I realized I need a little bit of practice, and I don't feel like the way I was going about it was the best way. So I said, let me go ahead and do flexi rods, because we've had success on this channel before with a flexi rod set on straight hair, right? Because I just had a silk press, if you will. Now, I do want to say this would have came out 10 times cuter had I slept in the flexi rods and did this whole thing tomorrow. I just put them in today and I took them out today. But my head was hurting. I just want to sleep comfortably, so it wasn't giving that. So I took it out. So there is going to be some parts like right here and right here that are a little bit frizzy, but for the most part, we got it dry all the way around. Okay, we got it dry all the way around. So it had a little frizziness to it. I've been playing with it. I've been like kind of tossing my hair around and stuff, which I don't mind. You guys know I love big hair, so I ain't mad at it. I ain't mad, but I think it came out so cute. So yeah, before we begin, you guys already know what to do. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and turn on the notification bell so you're notified every single time I upload a new video. And let's go ahead and get started. All right, guys, let's go ahead and get into it. So I'm working on this old silk press. Girl, DR had my hair looking crazy. And those are the two colors that I am using for this flexi rod set. They're from As I Am, and I'm using the Mermaid Minty, I believe it's called, in the cool blue. Now, to be honest with you guys, my hands are already blue because I started off doing perm rods, and then I realized I didn't know what the heck I was doing. So I had to start off with flexi rods. So this is what we're working with, and I just used two of the purple ones in the back, and then I was just kind of going all over the place with every other color in the world. There was no like a real direction for this, but all you want to do is you want to take sections of your hair. You want to make sure it's detangled, coat it with the color, and then detangle it again using that brush to distribute that product on every strand. Now, I didn't go all the way up to my roots because this was really hard to get out of my scalp one time. So I just wanted to kind of have like this ombre effect, if you will, from my natural hair color into the color. And as you guys can see, I'm adding more product to the end, so that way not only is the color really saturated at my end, so that way it can kind of give that ombre effect, but also it allowed my hair to really lay across that flexi rod nice and smooth. When you are doing any type of flexi rod set or perm rod set, the key is not only to make sure that your hair is completely dry, but is to make sure that the hair is laying completely flat at the ends, because then you're just gonna get a frizzy mess. So there was no like, you know, actual idea of where I was putting the dark blue and then the minty color. I kind of was just going back and forth and going all over the place, so that way it just kind of added some dimension and it was just more fun that way. So yeah. Now, I did use more of the gray ones in the crown of my head just because those are a little bit bigger than the orange, and then you'll see me kind of transition to orange, and then I had more of tighter curls in the front using blue flexi rods. I feel like this just kind of made more sense to me. Now, this didn't take me long to do, obviously, because my hair was already blown out, and also this allowed the drying time to be a lot faster. Now, you guys know I have really thick hair, so usually drying my hair is a process. I sat under the dryer for maybe about 2 hours. Only 2 sections didn't completely dry, and you guys will see where they are. They're a little bit more frizzy. However, the rest was pretty dry. So then once I took the Flexi rods out and I realized, oh, we got a little bit of wet sections, I kind of just sat under the dryer for like an extra 30 minutes. So let's say 2.5 hours. If I would have did maybe like 3 hours is just chilling, everything would have been completely dry. So I do feel like this process is a lot easier doing it on already dry hair opposed to doing it when your hair is wet, because baby girl, that's gonna take forever to dry and we don't have time for that. My hands are very much giving Avatar, giving Mystique from X-Men. Guys, I was so scared I was not going to be able to get that out my hands, but it's completely gone, so I'm super happy. It didn't like stain my nails or anything. It just took a little bit of extra scrubbing, but I did get my hands completely clean. And all I did was take a makeup wipe and wipe my face and my neck and everything. And so all that blue everywhere came off. So this is my hair completely just done. And now what we're going to do is sit under the dryer. We come out under the dryer. I was going to finish my whole face, right? But see, because of the Flexi rods, I couldn't get my forehead. So how was I going to properly contour with the Flexi rods in the way? So I stopped after doing my eye makeup to go ahead and take them down. Now you just want to make sure you twirl it in the direction that the curl's going. So that way it can just like bounce in the right way. And I was struggling doing this. I don't know why. I just feel like maybe I was just tired, but I was having a hard time. So just take your time when doing this. Maybe not do it in a rush or when you're tired. But yeah, those curls was bouncing. We only had like 2 areas that wasn't really fully dry, but I ain't stressing it. So this is the part where I went right back under the dryer just to like dry a little bit more, because I was scared of completely messing it up. But you guys can see those small areas where they messed up. So after I sat under the dryer, I finished my makeup. Yes, we're a B. Okay, we're cute. And now what you want to do is start separating those curls. Separate it as much as you possibly can. The more you separate it, the bigger it's going to get. And you want to make sure you're wrapping the hair around the direction of the curl, like wrapping around your finger the direction of the curl, so that way, you know, those curls can stay intact. Now, if it starts doing something weird, then you know that you've curled the wrong direction, so go ahead and curl it the other way. But yeah, just keep on separating, and so that way your hair can get as big as possible. And then you can take a pick. I ended up just taking my fingers and fluffing the roots of my hair just to make it a little bit bigger. I was kind of swinging my hair around. I wanted a little bit more volume. I don't mind frizz and volume. I think it looks cute. And at this point, I was like, oh, bitch, this is cute. Okay, she looks good. I wanted to go ahead and slick one side down, and I just pinned it. The curls bounced over it, but whatever. And this is the finished product. I think it looks popping. I think it looks so cute. And I love it. It's something fun. It's something, you know, just cool to do, you know, and it washes right out. Just look at them curls. Okay, with the blue in the mid. Yes, giving you looks. Okay guys, that is going to conclude this little tutorial on this blue and mint Flexi rod set. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Definitely believe in you guys. You guys can probably do it way better than me, but I still think it came out cute, and I think it's a fun little style. It's just something different. I do want to say the color does transfer a bit, maybe because my hair is not fully dry, but it does have a little transfer. So please be mindful of that and careful with what you wear. That was another reason why I didn't want to put like actual clothes on. So yeah, just be really careful. This washes out really easily. I'm just going to show you guys my hands. My hands were completely blue before, and so just I washed it a bunch of times today because I was messing with my hair a lot. But yeah, it does wash out with no problem, so you know, you don't have to worry about keeping it in for long. This is not the first video that I've done with these As I Am products. I've done another one before, which it was somewhere in the cards. If not, I'll just put it right now, where I did a wash and go with the gold color. So it was fun playing with a different color. But yeah, I think this would look really cool too if I had some like random streaks of purple. I should have did purple too. I think that would have been really fun and just dimensional and all that good stuff. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was informative. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And I hope that you guys give it a thumbs up because I worked on this all day for you. All stinking day. And I'm probably going to go wash my hair tomorrow. But yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Love you guys so much. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.